prepared to contribute significant peacekeeping forces to maintain.
Presiden terpilih Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, mengatakan negaranya siap mengirim sejumlah besar pasukan penjaga perdamaian serta personel medis ke Gaza jika Hamas menerima proposal gencatan senjata baru. Hal tersebut disampaikan Prabowo pada dialog Shangri-La di Singapura.
We are also prepared to immediately send medical personnel to operate field hospital in Gaza with the consent and agreement of all sides. President Joko Widodo has instructed me to announce that we are ready to evacuate, to receive, and to treat medical care up to 1,000 patients in the immediate future.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.